PEARadise. And if you like our videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. The Learning PEARadise is the place to be. Play, explore, use art, and read. Come along with us on our learning journey. Play, explore, use art, and read. New videos each and every week. Play, explore, use art, and read. E is for explore. Hey guys, and today's video is all about volcanoes. So get your materials and let's go. Aloha! This is the Learning PEARadise. We live and learn while playing, exploring, using art, and reading. And right now it's time for Explore! So, did you guys know, we're starting off with a fun fact. Did you guys know that January is Hawaii's annual Volcano Awareness Month? And they have so many volcanoes. They have 6 volcanoes in Hawaii. That's a lot of volcanoes, and I would really like to visit Hawaii. Yeah. Hawaii's a very beautiful place, and I would love to see a volcano. Yeah. I mean, not, erupt, but
well, not
really
close up,
but I would love to see one.
Like from 6 feet away. No, seriously, not 6 feet. Like 6 million feet away. I don't know if we can see that.
There are active volcanoes and dormant volcanoes. What are dormant volcanoes, sis?
Dormant volcanoes are asleep.
And what are active volcanoes?
Active volcanoes can erupt at any time.
Yes, and so dormant volcanoes can become active.
And active volcanoes can be dormant. Can become dormant.
So, I'm going to give you 3 choices here. Would you rather A, be next to an active volcano, B, be next to a dormant volcano,
C or none? C, none. None.
But I would love to visit Hawaii.
Yes.
I love it.
Okay. It's a beautiful place there.
Yes. Now let's talk about how volcanoes erupt. Now, I need to make this easier for you to understand first. First, we got to talk about magma. Magma is inside of the volcano. Now, it's like lava, don't get mixed up, but lava is when it's outside the volcano. So magma and lava are the same thing, it's just one's inside and one's outside. Got that?
Yes.
Hope you do too.
Yes.
Now, as I was saying, since we are going inside of the volcano, let's just take a trip down there. Ooh, it's hot down here. Now anyway, down here is some pressure, and that is pushing up the magma, which is making us rise. Whoa. This is hot. Oh, my feet! It's hot! Are you sweating in here? I am. Are you? Okay, we better hurry before it erupts. Now, the magma is rising and rising and rising until pop goes the volcano. Woo! It's erupting! Back on the ground. Finally. I should have never taken that trip inside a volcano. But as I was saying, pop goes the volcano, and lava just flows all out of the volcano and fills the whole village. So, since we're talking about erupting volcanoes, how about we do an erupting science project?
How about get volcanoes?
Yeah. So get your materials and let's go. You can do this activity with us. Just make sure you have these 4 materials to do the beginning part of the activity. We used a pie pan, a soda bottle, air-dried clay, and tape to secure your soda bottle onto your pipe. First, you're going to roll out your air-dried clay and make it flat so you can wrap it around your soda bottle. Keep going until you are done with your volcano shape and when you're satisfied. And we are back. Our volcano has fully dried and now it's time for us to paint it. You can use brown or black paint, or you can mix up brown and black to make it that volcano color. So let's do it.
It looks like chocolate. Good thing we have paper, or Mom would have been really mad at us. Yeah. I'm mixing some chocolate.
A chocolate volcano. It even drips like chocolate.
Oh yeah.
And so after this, we are going to let our paint dry. And then we will show you all the ingredients you need to make your volcano. And there we go. I have my volcano done. Hey sis, what about yours?
Chocolate not ready.
What?
My chocolate's not ready.
We finally have our volcano painted, and now we are going to let our volcano dry. And now it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. Explosion time! Are you excited, sis?
Yes.
All right, then let's get started. First thing you're going to need is baking soda. Dish detergent. Vinegar. A measuring cup. Water.
Be careful. Give me this water.
A funnel. And finally, food coloring. Oh, and two more things. Your amazing brains and your volcano base.
Your amazing brains.
Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need 1/4 cup of baking soda.
Oh.
And gently put it inside. Oh, don't forget the funnel. You take your funnel, put it inside. Then gently put some in. And shake. Shake your funnel. Oh no, I put too much. And there we go. All my baking soda is down in that hole. All right, finally. Now, we're going to take water and dish detergent, just a few drops. One, oops. Okay, that looks like enough because it just poured down. And then I'm going to put like 4 drops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're just going to let that spread. And now time for me to slowly pour this in. Alright, now that we've poured our mixture in and our baking soda, we're going to get our glasses. And then we're going to take some vinegar. Voila. And then just put a little bit of it. And maybe color the nose, because the vinegar kind of stinks.
Okay, this is the best part.
Here we go.
Whoa! That was cool!
I ain't got to say to go. In my lane, I won't follow. All I do is drop the no. In my lane, I won't follow. All I do is drop the no.
Whoa! Oh! Now that's an exploding volcano. Thanks for joining us in Explore. See you later. Bye!
I won't follow. All I do is drop the no. See us tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy it. Remember to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.